How to find competitors' backlinks using Semrush. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go and get to it. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, make sure you go down to the description, click on the link down below, and that is going to get you a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7, which is really going to give you a big leap and heads up with Semrush. So now first step is going to be logging to your account with Semrush, and then you simply just want to hover over the SEO tab from the top left corner. And then you simply just want to find the competitive analysis, and you should be able to find backlink gap. Simply click on that. And now you're going to basically add your domain, and then you are also going to be adding a competitor's domain. You can also add up to 3 different competitors, but I'm just going to leave it to 1. So here, just go ahead and add your domain and then the competitor's domain. After that, you simply just want to click on Find Prospects. So I just added a few domains here to test things out with. So this is going to be my domain. It's not really mine. I'm just going to use that. And we are also having the first competitor's domain here. So if we scroll down, we're going to be able to find these prospects for, and we are going to be able to filter out between them. So this is going to be yours, then you're going to also be able to check out the others. So I'm just going to click on that. And here we have a few filters that we can work with. So first we can have the best filter, which is going to really show us the best backlinks that they have. And you're going to see them from top to bottom. So top meaning it's going to be the best one, and then it's just going to keep going down. You also have more things, like if you want to actually see their weak backlinks, you can also view it from here. You also have the strong ones, which are going to be ones that only point out to you. Then you also have the shared options, which is going to be backlinks, which obviously are shared between you and the competitors. And also you have the unique ones. This is going to be the ones that are only displayed for either you or the competitor. So you can just go and click on shared, unique, or any of them, and you're just going to be able to see plenty of backlinks if available. And yeah, this is really as simple as it is with Semrush to check out the backlinks for any domain, for any competitor, or even for yourself. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.